Hi there, my name is Tanvir Ahmed, and I'm an experienced Django backend developer. I specialize in backend development using Django and have a strong background in PostgreSQL, Celery, Kafka, and Airflow. I have a deep understanding of PostgreSQL databases, including database design, data modeling, and query optimization. I also have experience using Celery to implement asynchronous and distributed processing in various applications, as well as Kafka to build real-time streaming data pipelines. Additionally, I'm well-versed in Airflow, which I've used to automate data processing tasks and manage dependencies between tasks. If you're looking for a Django backend developer with expertise in PostgreSQL, Celery, Kafka, and Airflow, I can help bring your project to life. Let's discuss how we can work together to achieve your goals.